In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Microsoft Outlook. 5 minutes. By the end, your inbox will look and feel the way you want without changing how your emails work. Start by opening Outlook in your web browser and letting your mailbox load. At the top right, look for the small gear icon, that's the settings menu. Click it to open the settings panel. This is your control center for how Outlook looks and behaves. If you only see a quick list of options, don't worry, everything we need is right here. Inside settings, select General. This section holds the universal preferences for your account, and it's where Outlook keeps the visual choices that affect the whole experience. Under General, choose Appearance. This is where the fun starts. Appearance controls the way Outlook looks across Mail, Calendar, and more, so any choices you make here will follow you around the app. You'll see a collection of themes. Think of a theme as the overall style. It can be a solid color, a gradient, or a patterned background that updates the header and certain interface elements. Click through a few options to preview how they change the top bar and the accents around your inbox. If you work long hours, a calm, low contrast palette can reduce eye strain. If you want your folders and buttons to stand out, choose a brighter theme so key elements pop. Some versions of Outlook include a dark mode toggle in this area. If it's available, switching it on pairs nicely with many themes and can make reading at night more comfortable. If you prefer maximum readability during the day, a lighter look with a simple theme often works best. Accessibility tip: high contrast or simpler themes can make interface labels easier to spot. After you've found a theme you like, click Save. Look toward the bottom of the panel if you don't see the button right away. Saving applies your changes across Outlook. If the Save button is grayed out, it usually means no changes were made yet. Try selecting a different theme, then save again. Give your inbox a quick scan to make sure the accents, header, and overall mood match what you expected. If something feels too busy, switch back to Appearance and pick a cleaner theme. You can adjust as often as you like. Note that on some work or school accounts, administrators may limit theme choices. If you don't see a theme you expect, that's likely why, and that's it. With a few quick clicks, Settings, General, Appearance, choose a theme and save, you've customized Outlook to suit your style. Enjoy your refreshed inbox.